Hey everyone! Today we're talking about the popular MMO title, MapleStory, and the recent release of HyperX's MapleStory Orange Mushroom Keycap. Inspired by the orange mushroom character from the game, this limited edition keycap is only available on HyperX's website from March 17th through the 19th. We still don't know the exact price yet, but if it's anything like the last limited edition keycap, it should be around $20 to $25. Also, this keycap is only available in the US. /n/n along with this release, HyperX shared the details of its global fan appreciation and community event that's aptly named HyperX Loot Drop 3. This 2-week event runs through March 27th, and it's going to be full of video influencers, exclusive HyperX product drops, and even activities like battling it out with Team Liquid and xsetprogramers.n/n/n. As an avid keyboard enthusiast, I'm hoping HyperX will eventually roll out a full set or two of custom keycaps, like its Naruto collection, instead of just individual ones. That way, modders like us can mix and match the keys, and top it off with a unique design from HyperX.n/n/n. For all of you out there that are just as excited as I am about this new release, don't forget to order your MapleStory Orange Mushroom Keycap early on March 17th at 9 a.m. ET. Who knows, it may just sell out just as quickly as the last one.